This is the blue poison dart frog, one of the most poisonous animals in the planet. And this is my Rainforest Vivarium. And in this video, I will be adding these beautiful frogs in my little chunk of the Amazon. I built this vivarium a couple months ago, and it's been doing very well, but it's been missing something, a main attraction. Before I add these frogs, I've made sure that the habitat is suitable for them, the right humidity, temperature, and more. I've also let the plants grow these past months, and let the microfauna settle in. And now that everything is good, I was ready to add them in. If you plan on getting dart frogs, it's important to make sure that your vivarium is properly prepared for them. Finally, it was time to add the dart frogs to their new home. As soon as I got them, I placed them inside the vivarium and encouraged them to leave the container. When they were in, I monitored their behavior and made sure they were adjusting well. As I placed these deadly beauties into their new home, I couldn't help but feel a mix of excitement and fear. Would I be able to provide everything they needed to thrive, or would their toxic nature prove too much to handle? In reality, poison dart frogs are not dangerous in captivity. Their poison is produced by the frogs' diets of ants and other small insects in the wild. In captivity, they lose the poison since they don't have access to them. These frogs are known as Inhabitants tinctorius, also known as the blue poison dart frog. They have a beautiful blue color, which is the rarest color in nature. In the wild, they can be found in a few isolated rainforest islands of southern Suriname and Brazil in the Amazon jungle. You can find over 200 different species of poison dart frogs, each one with different coloration and different patterns. Their name, poison dart frogs, comes from Amazon natives using the toxins from them on the tips of hunting darts. With simply rubbing the back of the frog, they can get enough poison to hunt. These frogs are a sight to behold. Their vibrant blue coloration is a warning sign to potential predators. This is called aposematic coloration. This means that animal could be venomous or poisonous. Dart frogs are one of the most poisonous animals in the world. Dart frogs are diurnal, which means they are active during the day, spending most of their time on the forest floor, hopping from leaf to leaf in search of food. These two are still young, about 5 months old, but they can live up to 20 years. Since they are new to the vivarium, they are still pretty shy, and with time they will get bolder. Once they started getting settled in, they started to explore the vivarium more and more. If you're enjoying, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. A poison dart frog may be tiny, but its vivid colors and unique adaptations make it a powerful symbol of the beauty and diversity of the jungle. You might notice how there isn't any body of water in my vivarium. That is because dart frogs are bad swimmers and live mostly on land. Poison dart frogs are carnivorous, feeding on small insects. In captivity, they can be fed with various types of insects, such as crickets for bigger dart frogs, fruit flies, and springtails. In my case, I feed my frogs with fruit flies, but the vivarium is filled with springtails and small isopods they can also snack on. This is a culture of flightless fruit flies. As you can see, they are small and easy to handle. Before adding them, I mix them with this nutrient powder to get the nutrients from my frogs. Then I release them into the vivarium. Dart frogs will only eat food that moves, so the flies need to be alive. As soon as I let the flies in, the frogs are quick to notice and start to hunt them. It's amazing to see how quick and precise they are when catching their prey. Within a few minutes, most of the flies are gone, and the frogs are full. If you're interested in keeping these amazing creatures as pets, I highly recommend doing some research on their diet and care requirements. In the rainforest, every living organism plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of the ecosystem. The same is true in a vivarium. A well-designed vivarium can be a work of art, showcasing the beauty of nature in a miniature form. In my last video on the vivarium, I added isopods, and recently I was excited to see a new generation of baby isopods. As you may know, isopods are small crustaceans that are commonly kept in vivariums. They are known for their ability to break down organic matter, and they play an important role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. Like in the wild, if they want to survive, they will need to stay hidden and avoid predators. When it comes to maintenance, I don't do much. The lights and the rain system work on their own. I only need to make sure I have enough water for the rain system to not run out, and to feed the dart frogs, which is a fun thing to do, and I get to see them eat. Creating a vivarium is not just a hobby, but a way to connect with nature. The rainforest may be thousands of miles away, but in a vivarium, we can bring a piece of that magical world into our own homes. Almost 3 months have passed since I planted the vivarium, and it already looks much different. I've recently added some new plants, including this big new fern and many new orchids. Plants are constantly changing and growing. I've noticed a lot of new plant growth in various areas of my vivarium. In just 3 months, this vivarium has grown and evolved into a world of its own, where magic and wonder thrive, and life flourishes in perfect harmony. I can't wait to see what it's gonna look like in a year. This vivarium is a testament of the power of nature, where even the smallest changes can create a world of difference. And these beautiful blue poison dart frogs are the newest star of that world, bringing their vibrant colors and toxic beauty to the mix. And I'm excited to continue to share this incredible world with you as it continues to grow and evolve. So make sure to like and subscribe for future updates.